This girl is not normal. Wednesday enters a school where everyone is a monster. But after she arrives, students start disappearing one by one. No one knows who the real killer is until Wednesday starts seeing the future. She slowly realizes that a terrifying creature in the forest is hunting people. But even scarier than that is the secret her family had hidden for 25 years.